So good afternoon, bird Twitter. I have a Tekka's health update. We went to the bird vet today, and the good news is it looks like, thank you, it looks like he does not have any viruses. So yeah. Thank you, Nami. The vet isn't exactly sure how the feather issues started, but it could have been a night fright, it could have been someone, the previous owner trimmed his feathers too far, which is too bad. They found some really short ones, which you're not supposed to do when you're trimming their wings. And she said the best thing for him is just to make sure the air is clear around his cage, make sure the bottom's clean, and make sure he has a lot of vitamins in his diet. And today he got some vitamin injections, and they did a quick fecal test as well, and it all came back clean. So yay! And I'm just gonna work on keeping him healthy. Luckily, I was able to find an actual bird vet only about 45 minutes away from me, which is still a long drive, but it's not an hour plus, which was good, and they're very knowledgeable, and they were able to take good care of them, which is good. It did cost quite a lot of money. I think I could have saved money if I had known about the bird specialist 45 minutes away and just gone there first, but it is what it is. Could have done. I didn't drive super far, and it turned out what they were testing for was not very likely anyways. Suddenly the birds are gone! And today I also bought a lot of bird merch, so that contributed to some of the money I paid, but it's always nice to have new good stuff for their cages. And they also had these very adorable keychains. I don't know if you can see it, but one half is like green and the other half is kind of blue and yellow. So I had to get this too, even though it's just for me, it's not for the birds. So thank you everyone who has supported Tekka in his journey. As you can hear, he is quite ganky today, and he's feeling much better. I will see you around Twitter. This is the human intern looking at some stuff. Nice branch here. A Chew Safe toy over here, and a rope they actually gave me for free. And I also bought some nutritious cakes for them. Tekka! Tekka! Get off! Say hi to bird Twitter.